So hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. Okay, so here A was missing when I was reading it, so I got my mistake. That's the thing, you need to do it at the end of your essay writing when you have finished and 3-4 minutes are left or 5 minutes. You should save it for proofread of your essay so that you can get your own mistakes, specifically spelling mistake, punctuation mistake, and any other grammar mistake. It can come into notice, and definitely you can improve your this band. If you are getting 5.5, if you do proofreading, then 6 band can come. Okay, and if you are getting 6, then 6.5 can increase. Okay, so here we will be doing this essay, that to what extent do you agree or disagree, and this essay was there in IELTS exam essay 17th February 2024. Let's do it. Yes, we are doing planning now. So in planning, first step, what is that? We have to read the question statement 3-4 times. Don't immediately start writing when you are just reading your essay question statement only once. No, 3-4 times please read the question statement, analyze it. If some people, some conditional sentence they have given, if some people get a chance to choose between life without work and spending most of the time working, then they would choose not to work. Okay, if some people get a chance to choose between life without work, jobless or workless or effortless life, and spending most of the time working, means then they would choose not to work. Means most of the some people would choose without work life, and they are asking you if people are getting chance to choose between life and without work or spending most of the time working. So most of the people, some people will choose this, not to work. Okay, workless, effortless time, leisure time. So what is the main topic? So again and again they are talking about work. So main topic will be work. Okay, but the other two topics, what are the subtopics? Definitely we will discuss. So first step we are doing it. Here we have got this work topic, and they are asking to choose between without work and work. Okay, so of course here they have given some people will choose not to work, but I choose with work. I choose my life. My opinion is to with life with work. So it means I am disagree with the statement. Okay, I am disagree with the statement. If you agree, then definitely you will be saying benefits of living without work. So definitely there are benefits also. It is not like that everything is disadvantages. No, there are still many benefits to stay without work. Okay, we will discuss everything. If you say I agree with the statement, means you are saying without work what you can do. So of course some people will pursue their passion or enjoyment. They will enjoy their life and all, because some people are not having any financial problem and all. Definitely they can still stay with without any work and all. So spend on pleasure activities. Many people prefer to spend on pleasure activities like movies. Nowadays current trend is their Netflix. People are just watching it like for many hours. They are finishing their series. So that is also a wastage of time. So spend on pleasure activities like movies, playing means any sports activities and all. And definitely what will effect of these? Whatever you will be just telling without work. So these are the advantages, and one disadvantage you can just give. It will affect mental health also. Mental disorder may come, and obesity means health problem may be the problem. So if you just prefer, means if you disagree with the statement, then definitely you will be disagree. And why you will be disagree? Means satisfaction. If you work and get some money and some salary or earning something, definitely you will get some satisfaction kind of thing in your life. So in many ways you can get satisfaction. And secondly, that's more important, economical background will be strong, financial gain you will be there. So this money you can spend on good education of the family members, as well as medical on, they can spend well on medical health also, and other activities also, definitely luxury life and all, buying luxury cars, houses, and also you can spend endlessly in many activities, but work is important according to my opinion. And example we can give, any other example you can also give, but give example according to not personal example, it should not be there. Survey reports by Oxford University or any other university you can name, happier citizens when people have more jobs, means when they are working in life. This kind of survey I have just explained it in that. Now let's find the keywords in the question statement. So people, of course, this is also common word. People, you know the people synonyms, and also people you can use human beings. So, let's find the keywords first, then I will show you the vocabulary. People, chance, choose, without work, and spending most of the time working. So here what I have just you can see this. For people we can use human beings, persons, individuals, humans, or masses also you can write. Chance, possibility, probability. Without work you can use the word workless, jobless, at leisure. And working you can write employed, in work, in a job, waged also you can write. Okay, many other words are also there, you can write it in comment section if you know better synonym for these words. Okay, now how to write introduction for this question statement. It's important to know first, if you are beginner, then please do practice initially for introduction of these essays, then introduction, and then conclusion. After that you can write body paragraph 1 and 2. It's important to match introduction and conclusion, it's very important. So let's write introduction. How to write introduction of this essay? First of all, you should know how to write introduction. So there are 3 sentence formula basically. Okay, first you will write something about work, that is the main topic here. Work or without work, you can, if you can write it. Okay, second sentence will be about paraphrasing of question statement from here to here, and then you will tell about your opinion because you is given. So what you are going to discuss in the paragraph, upcoming paragraphs, you need to tell. Or you can use template also. How I have used it, I will just show it to you. So how I have started, you can see. It is true that in this modern epoch, if you want to avoid this word, then that's okay. It is true that in this modern epoch, if some persons, so see this, I have how I have changed the words. If some persons get an opportunity to select between life at leisure, means without work, and spending time on employment or on work. Okay, and spending time on employment or on work, then definitely these people would pick workless or effortless life. Then definitely these people would pick workless or effortless. Only one thing you have to write, either workless or effortless. So workless we will cut, only effortless life. Due to some happiness, I have given reason also, due to some happiness, and they want to do full enjoyment in life, you can write this. So with the help of templates, we are writing the paraphrase, writing the question statement into different words, but with some good synonyms and all. So here these are also ready-made line. In my opinion, I strongly disagree with this notion. Here, if you want more bends, then please give reason why you strongly disagree with this notion. One reason you should give it, that reason that you have already discussed in brainstorm point. Only the name type of thing, that it will give satisfaction in life. You can just add this line here. And my viewpoints will be elaborated in further paragraphs with the relevant illustrations. So this is introduction. See this. Now first paragraph. Now my first point, satisfaction in life. See this, brainstorm points and how I will put it. Supporting, from here this is body paragraph 1. Supporting my disagreement to the given statement. Supporting my disagreement points to the given statement. I firmly believe that work related actions, so instead of work, with work I have just given this kind of thing. This is also synonym, I have used it for instead of work only. Work related actions would definitely provide satisfaction in life. See this, satisfaction in life. This is paraphrasing of with work. To explain it more, when means first you have announced the point and then you are giving explanation. To explain it more, when people are engaged with their job related things and achieving promotions, recognition or fame in their workplaces, and some psychological feelings will be there in life. Okay, so satisfaction is all about your psychological thing. Okay, so to cite an example, in McDonald's, every month employee of the company is declared to give some recognition among thousands of employees. That person will be on cloud 9 along with incentives. Incentives because of his efforts in life, because of his efforts in workplace. Therefore, it is necessary to work for everyone. It is necessary to work for everyone in their life, in one's life. Okay, now this is simple way I have explained my first paragraph. Only first this point I have explained it. Now I will explain this financial gain in next paragraph. See this second, financial gain, good educational, medical, health people can spend. Explaining some of another supporting point against this statement, it is worth noted that, so these lines you should just remember it, whether you are agree or disagree, just write according to your agree or disagree. It is worth noted that individuals work for their economic benefits. In other words, so first I have announced the main point and then its explanation. In other words, if they do some job related activities, they will earn salaries which will be used in maintaining standards of life, like buying necessary items for their homes. Not only people can spend, now good education and medical, not only people can spend a good amount of finances, not only people can spend good amount of finances on their children's education, but also can use this money on families' medical health. Okay, for instance, now main important, the results of a survey conducted by Yale University or any other university, Oxford University, how I have used, you can, I have given, earlier I was thinking about Oxford University, now Yale University. Canada suggested that the more jobs in a nation, the more happier citizens could be found, and Canada and the UK, the perfect nations to have happier are the perfect nations. Are the perfect nations to have happier generations. So this example I have just supported it, my point. The more jobs means the more work in a nation, the more happier citizens can be found or could be found. Okay. Now one important thing now you should remember. It's okay. One more thing, like every topic we should cover it. So we were supporting this essay to work. Okay. So spending most of the time working. Okay. Now another part is without work. We should also talk about that, but not fully. After second body paragraph, means before conclusion, so we can write something about another topic, the opposite topic. However, on the other hand, those who support opposite argument and favor life without work, see this, without work, their main aim is to enjoy life and passion without much efforts. I firmly believe that later on These kinds of personality will definitely develop some boredom in life. Health issues and sometimes mental disorders can arise or may arise. May occur, you can just say. Okay, may occur. So this is opposite side. Always write something about opposite side also by saying however. Okay, now conclusion. Now conclusion, see this. In conclusion, or I have told you to recapitulate word is also there. You can use any word. On selecting a jobless life. So this is what? This is again rewording the question statement. On selecting a jobless life may bring. So here also one mistake I think I have done. You can always tell. Selecting a jobless life may bring some enjoyment in life, and many persons are selecting this path. Okay, many persons are selecting this path. I personally believe that aforementioned arguments are strong, supporting my viewpoint, and the benefits of workaholic life cycle far outweigh the other topic. Okay, so this I have written it. You can see this conclusion also. It is also good, or you can select with although sentence structure also you can use it. Then comma will come here. Okay, now this is the full essay.